Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to extra last 4 digit from account number in Microsoft Excel. So get really started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the account number, then extra, then convert to the extra last 4 digit number from the account. Firstly, mouse click from the last 4 digit columns and keyboard press from the equal right first bracket, select the condition and then comma. Now keyboard press from the 4, then first bracket close. Now keyboard press from the control enter. That's okay. Then show the last 4 digit in the account number, then select your all account number. That's okay. Then I show the last 4 digit is the extra the in the account number. This account number the all select and click for the center line option. That's okay. Then I show the last 4 digit in the show. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.